spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. This week's episode is once again brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Diecast Models Wholesale. With over 10,000 different items in stock, Diecast Models Wholesale has the die-cast or plastic kit, car, truck, plane, tractor, or tank model that you're looking for in a variety of scales and at competitive prices. Check out this 1/43rd scale 1955 Ford Crown Victoria by Road Signature, or this 1/43rd scale 1968 Ford Shelby Mustang, also by Road Signature, or check the webpage for thousands of other products today. Lionel Trains has announced a new Vision Line Erie Triplex Drive 28882 steam locomotive. The steamer includes a stereophonic sound system, smoke box and tender steam, whistle steam, a swinging bell, and a new user-defined wheel slip feature on the tender drivers. The model will be available in 4 different Erie Railroad versions, plus Denver and Rio Grande Western, Northern Pacific, Virginian, Lionel lines, Halloween, and undecorated versions for $24.99 each. The models are also available as part of a complete set featuring the Erie number 5016 version and 15 scale cars, including a stock car, 8,000-gallon tank car, 2 double-sheathed boxcars, 1 single-sheathed boxcar, 4 wood-sided reefers, a hobo boxcar, a steel-sided boxcar, 3 two-bay hoppers, and a wood-sided caboose for $39.99. Follow the link in the video description for more information. For Menards fans, the waiting is over. Menards has released regular production versions of its long-awaited FP7 diesels as part of 2 train sets, now available in stores and online. Each set features an FP7 locomotive and matching bay window caboose with flashing red LED lights in Santa Fe War Bonnet or Union Pacific colors, a 36-inch by 46-inch oval of Menards O-Gauge track, a special power lock-on section, a power supply, and a remote control. The sets retail for $249 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains has released 2 exclusive uncatalogued Premier O-Scale RS11 diesel locomotives for Toledo, Peoria, and Western, and Delaware and Hudson paint schemes for MTH retailer Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. Each road name will be offered in prototypical CAD numbers and will be available in limited quantities. These diesels will retail for $499.95 each, plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale AC 4400 diesel locomotive in 2 different CSX versions for Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The diesels are offered as CSX number 500, the Spirit of Grafton, and as CSX number 1, the Spirit of West Virginia. The locomotives will be available in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of January 2024. The early order price is $569.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale New York Central Dreyfuss 464 Hudson, specially decorated for Train World in Brooklyn, New York. The locomotive will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in April 2024. The early order price is $1499.99. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Scale Premier Alco PA diesel locomotive in Santa Fe, Southern Pacific, Delaware and Hudson, and Erie-Lackawanna versions next spring. A selection of matching Southern Pacific and Santa Fe streamlined passenger cars will also be released next spring to complement 2 of the schemes. Each of these offerings will be available in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in March and April 2024. Powered PA units will retail for $539.95 each, while unpowered PB units will list for $239.95 each. See the link in the video description for more information and passenger car pricing. 2 exclusive uncatalogued MTH Rail King O-Gauge Alco C628 diesel locomotives in Louisville and Nashville and Monon schemes are now in stock exclusively at Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. Each paint scheme is available in 2 cab numbers in very limited quantities for $379.95 each, plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has released an exclusive and uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge gondola car with lighted ghosts in unique ghost trap livery. The cars are available for order from any MTH authorized dealer for $79.95 each. So, who you gonna call? They won't last long. And last but not least, now available at authorized MTH retailers are 3 2023 Rail King Christmas boxcars. One decorated with Santa and his reindeer, another decorated with a traditional Magi and Nativity scene decoration, and the third car features Santa, reindeer, and flashing LED lights. Follow the links in the video description for pricing and availability. Remember that this page does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from the links on this channel, so you can find the item you want and support our channel at the same time. And remember to check our latest long format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.